You can see here that the screenshot I have is very detailed, and sometimes what you need is a very simple screenshot with just boxes in it. So to do that, you can use the simplify tool right here, and if you don't find simplify here, simply go to more and then go to simplify. So once you do that, you are provided with basic shapes, as you can see, which you can manually drag out. And let's say, for example, I'm going to choose this one out and then drag out a picture on top of it. I can go over here, change out the fill level just like this. So I can go around and change out the fill just like that as well, just like that. So you can work around with these kind of quick styles quite fast and then work around with it. Or what you can do is you can use the auto simplify tool to speed up the process. So simply click on auto simplify, and what happens is that it analyzes everything in the screenshot and tries to simplify it just like that. You can increase and decrease the level of detail. So let me just increase the detail right here. Of course, I want to reset object, and you can see that there's more detail now. I want to decrease the detail, just decrease it out completely, and let's see how it looks. It's completely simplified right here. There's just boxes each and everywhere. So you can increase and decrease the level of detail right there to cover up many things right here. So the screenshot looks pretty simple. You can also show original to see how it looks beneath it and what is being covered out. You can increase out the opacity or decrease out the opacity just like that. And of course, what you can do is you can select individual elements right here and then arrange that out. So you can go around, make them rounded right here. You can choose out the color according to what you want. And then you can change out the type of the information you want just like that as well. And that is how you can use the simplify and auto simplify tool inside of Snagit editor to simplify the content of a screenshot. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.